You've been given this mark that you are not good enough for what? 20 years? 25 years? How many years are we
30,
going now?
30 years.
30 years. Great. Congratulations. In most state or national penitentiaries, 30 years is considered a life sentence. Okay. So you have been given a life sentence that you're not good enough, 30 years. Now I'm going to ask your brain, should we keep you in that prison for another 30 years? Or do you feel, brain, that Danny has learned his lesson and he can now unlock the prison key and get out of that state so he can be good enough?
Yeah, it's like giving yourself permission.
You literally have to unlock the prison. You have created a prison for yourself. I cannot unlock the key for you.
It's comfy though, Kedma. I've got couches in there.
Is it? Do you like your prison? What's it like in there? It's kind of, is it cold?
Safe. It's safe, Kedma.
Is it safe?
It's
really?
a little cold.
It feels
but you know what I mean, right?
Cold.
Because that's the challenge. And I want to get into this actually, because the reality is what you just described, there's two things going on when you're saying this. One is, yeah, I deserve to leave now and I need to give myself permission to move on. And then the objection immediately is, well, that's uncomfortable though. Right?
Okay. I don't mind keeping you there as long as you acknowledge that you're going to be willingly wanting to stay in that prison. So do you willingly want to continue to stay in the prison?
No, I'd like to move out. So
you do. Are you sure? Because we can keep you there for another year. I don't mind.
Yeah, there's a saying out there. You know what it is actually? What is this? What's you're comfy in your prison until the door gets shut and locked, and then you want out.
That's right. So yeah. I'm going to lock it. I'm going to tell you, hey, I'm going to lock it for another year. Do you want to stay another year?
Yeah. No, if the option is that I can't leave and I have to stay in this now for a while, I want out now. But if I always think I can leave at any time, then I'll stay in for a lot longer.
Yeah, but you've been there 30 years.
I know. So yeah, exactly. So can we talk about this?
We are talking about
it. I know we are. Because we're getting into like this next section I have, which is like, how do you shift from a limiting belief to more an imaginative state and break through?
So the way you do it is you have to give your brain a solution it could solve. Because what I have just done is I've introduced an image, and what we don't understand as business owners is to move from one solution to another is not through words. It's first through the image in our brain. If I introduce an image to your brain that your brain can connect to, then we can move you out. So instead of me saying to you, oh, Danny, you are good enough. Don't worry. You're amazing. That doesn't work because everybody before me has said that to you. True or not true?
Yeah, they encourage you. Great. Everyone wants to make you feel good.
I'm not going to encourage you. I'm not that kind of coach. Don't worry. I'm going to be like, you needed to be in there. I agree. Man, you know what? If it was up to me, I think you should be another 5 years. I don't know why 30. Let's go for 35. Okay. Now your brain's a little bit frustrated. Okay. Why? I want to put you in for another 5 years. What about that?
Yeah, because you're challenging me. You're putting me down. You're like giving me an ultimatum almost.
I'm not putting you down. I'm just telling you should be in there. I agree with you.
Right. And now I feel like I want to fight you on that. Now I'm like,
why?
No.
Why are you going to fight me? You just told me that you're not good enough. I'm just saying you're right.
Why? Because you're opposing. Because you're I don't know. Because you're labeling. I don't know. Because because
I'm challenging the belief of your brain, and your brain can't handle it.
Right. You're confusing.
I know already. I've been doing this for too long. Okay. So now your brain has. I'm playing chess right now.
I know you're playing with my brain.
Yes, I'm playing with your brain, and I'm going to checkmate. And your brain's like, whoa, whoa, whoa. No, I want to still play in the game. Okay. But now if you're going to play in the game, you got to make your move, and I'm watching the move. So do you want to stay another year or not? If you say to me right now, I don't want to be in that prison anymore, and I'm ready to unlock, your brain will then set the course for a different outcome.
Yeah. You're giving, not only giving yourself permission, you're kind of like telling your brain it's time. It's like, it's time to move. I've said this verbally out loud now. I'm verbally committed. Shoot, now I have to go after what I just said.
That's right. Yeah. And this is why the blessing of confirmation has to happen in a public setting, because now it's not me you're accountable to. Every single person who's going to be listening to this is going to hold you accountable to it.
Right.